Project emanyurwe nka Charity Water Grant erwebemberwa b'ekitongole kya Water for People niyo etongozibwe omu kyanga eki. Amaizi aga nigija kuhwera ebyaro bishatu okuruga omu gomborora ya Buseruba, omu Rukamwenje n'ebyaro 8 okuruga omu muruka gwa Nganiko omu gomborora ya Nyabani omu district ya Kitagwenda.
Rundi guno oba mu mwaka guno kwa 2026 tugenda kukola mu districts 2. Tugenda kukola mu district y'e Kamwenge mu gomborora y'e Busiriba nga tugenda kuzimbayo system y'amazzi ejja kubeera ntonotono eyitibwa Bunoga mini pipe system ejja kubanga ekozesa solar energy oba amaanyi g'enjuba okusobola okupampinga amazzi ago okugatuusa mu byalo bisatu mu Bunoga. Era nga system ey'okubiri ejja kuzimbibwa Kitagwenda mu gomborora gye bayita Nyabani, era ng'eyo waliyo system gye bayita Nganiko private flow system.
Okutanuna project ezindi amaizi aga nigaza kuheebwa abantu abo abari kubaasa kushashurira amaizi ago barikukozesa buri kwezi.
Chairperson, I think we need to see how the district we work together to ensure the real expectations of Charity Water and the trust they had put in us. We sustain it that yes, the Charity Water outputs remain functional, or else the lobby for other grants to reach everyone to keep knocking off chairman, like we always say.
And afterwards, they make accountability. Transparent and make accountability. That's why I have NGOs, because the funds given to Ghana, you have to make good accountability so that they give us a lot.
Project egi neza kukolebwa hagati y'omwaka gumwe kandi egi neza kuba nekozesibwa amaani ga solar okutambuza amaizi omu nshekye omu byaro bitari bimwe na bimwe.
Kwanza twasima chairman C5 na council hamwe na government ya Uganda y'Omugurusi wa Kaguta Museveni abo kuleta project egi mu gomborora. Ahoko abantu aba Kinoni Parish babine kizibu kitabembeswa tushashira munonga
gasha kwa Anthony Twin.